Hi, I am Mr. E, and we are at the Sumner County Courthouse in Gallatin, Tennessee. Today we're going to be seeing the Proudfoots and the Bowersocks all in court with Bullhorn Betty, possibly others, maybe Seth Rogers, the biological father. All of this surrounding the missing disappearance of Sebastian Rogers. Today this is a violation of the protective order. So if you recall the vigil that happened a couple of weeks ago, Bullhorn Betty was arrested for 6 violations, 3 of which related to her going on one of her videos and speaking of how she was planning to sue the family, and then the other 3 counts involved her using hashtags with family members' names in those videos. So we're going to hear that today. I suspect that the defense that Bullhorn Betty, her lawyer, will use is that she wasn't served properly. That's what she's been saying all along, that there was some kind of improper service for her to appear in court. So I think it's a possibility that we never even get to the merits of the case itself. It could all just get dismissed right away. If that doesn't happen, and it does go forward, then what I think the argument that they'll make on the prosecution side will be that by her making these videos and these hashtags, that would constitute indirectly or directly contacting the family. And I assume that the defense, what they will try to argue is that for her to contact through a video that way, they actually have to seek out her channel and website. So who's contacting who, I think, will be kind of the argument there. This is interesting in a lot of ways. Obviously, this is, I would imagine, the first time that all of these parents have been in the same room at the same time since the early days of the disappearance, and how this all plays out in terms of First Amendment rights, the line between journalism, advocacy, and harassment, and all those kind of issues. That's all interesting to us, and so we're all interested to see how that all plays out. We'll be in the courtroom. Of course, we'll be taking notes, and when we get out, whenever that happens today, we will head back. We'll do a live stream. Just bring you everything that happened, the way we saw it, our analysis of how things go. This could be an hour, this could be all afternoon. We're really not sure how that part will play out. But we'll take detailed notes on everything that happened and bring that to you as soon as this ends.